So welcome back, AutoCAD for Technicians students. I have a quick tip here for you on two-dimensional modeling. In a previous video, I showed you how to measure this exact same contactor. And if you notice when I did it, when I was measuring these holes, I measured from the edge of the contactor to the hole. But then I measured from that hole to the next hole. And then from that hole to the next hole. Okay, I showed you that because I wanted to make this video afterwards to show you that that wasn't the right way to do it. Okay, now when you're measuring a part like this, you always want to base your measurements off of a single point. Okay, so for example, if I want to measure the edge of this circle or this hole, we had 0.182. And then what I mean by measuring off the same point, to measure the edge of this next circle, I want to stay on the edge of the contactor. So in this measurement would be 0.692. The reason you do that is a term called cumulative error. Cumulative error is something that happens when you base measurements off of a relative location. Okay, remember in future lessons we'll talk about relative and absolute coordinates. In this case, if I measure off of here, I might be off a couple thousandths in my measurement. And now if I base my next measurement off of that off of that hole that's already off, I could be off another couple thousandths. So now I'm off, if it's 2 thousandths per measurement, now I'm off 4 thousandths. I go to measure this one, now I'm off 6 thousandths if I'm inaccurate in my measurements. So if you base all of your measurements off a single point, it reduces that cumulative error of being inaccurate on, or building a drawing off of inaccurate measurements. Okay, so just your quick tip, if you're measuring multiple things in line, base them all off the same point. Reduce the cumulative error. Okay? Thank you. Happy drawing.